Good morning, dear students. So today we all gathered here to discuss about a very important topic, that is gender sensitization. Gender sensitization means the process of changing our attitude, our behavior to recognize and value gender equality. Means हमें ये समझने की जरूरत है कि मेल, फीमेल और ट्रांसजेंडर ये सभी हमारी सोसाइटी में इक्वली इम्पॉर्टेंट हैं और ये हमारी जिम्मेदारी है, पेरेंट्स की जनरली जिम्मेदारी है और हमारी जिम्मेदारी भी है कि सभी को इक्वल वैल्यूज मिले और सभी को इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटी भी मिले. बट इज दिस हैपनिंग इन द प्रेजेंट सिनेरियो? This is a question because we have seen in our families that whenever there is a time of sending our child to some college, so we always find a good college for our boy. Means लड़के के लिए हमेशा कोशिश करते हैं कि उसे एक अच्छा कॉलेज मिले and then we go for our girl. कि गर्ल को सेकेंड चांस दिया जाता है. With that, if there is a chance, there is an opportunity to send our children to outside for any performance, for any games activity, तो हमारे दिमाग में आता है कि ठीक है, लड़का है तो we can send the boy easily और लड़की है तो हमें सोचने की जरूरत पड़ती है. तो this all is created by us only. You know that many of us we think about that, we think that sex and gender, these are same thing, but no, these are totally different from each other. You know that sex, it refers to the biological traits, that means chromosomes, hormones, anatomy. It decides our sex and it is assigned at the time of birth only. जब एक बच्चे का जन्म होता है उसी समय हम ये कहते हैं कि ये एक मेल है या एक फीमेल है, लड़का हुआ या लड़की हुआ. So that is decided that time only. But what about gender? Gender is acted role that is decided by we all. अगर कोई रो रहा है तो हम कहते हैं लड़की है इसलिए वो रो रही है और लड़का रो नहीं सकता है. So this is constructed by we all people only. We all are responsible for this. There are some examples like cooking food. अगर हमारे दिमाग में आ रहा है किचन में काम करना है तो what comes in our mind? Girl or a boy? Answer me. What comes in our mind? Obviously girl. If we think playing with girl, again our mind says girl. If we say cleaning home, today is Sunday and there is a turn of cleaning room by children, by our kids. नहीं सकते तो हमारा मन आता है कि लड़का है तो वो रो नहीं सकता. No fear. That also resembles a boy. कि boy की personality ऐसी है कि वो डरते नहीं हैं. Can go anywhere, can do anything. Yes. सबको क्या करना है? ब्रेक करना है and we have to go for gender equality. कि ये जो चीजें बनी हुई हैं, whether that is related to job, whether related to any activity, right? We have to give the equal opportunity to girl as well as boy or transgender also. Now let us understand it more by few examples, and for that I would like to call Mrs. Bhavani here.
As Kanchan ma'am has told you many things, but things are always understandable when there is some examples. Now kids, look at here some our Indian society. Let's see. Can you able to see the pictures? Who's the first one? When we find that a tough task is going to help, we always find that in our mind the images come, that the image of a macho boy having a beard and very tough face. But this stereotype thought was broken by Kiran Bedi. She has broken the society thought. She is the one who have joined the IPS when the IPS era is totally dominated by males. She is the one who have not only joined as a jailer, Central Jail, Tihar Jail, which is considered to be the most terrific jail of India, and she reformed it as a Tihar ashram. Who is he? Can you identify the person? White dress, mid, at the mid. Who is he? And who is he? When we thought about the kitchen now, we have an image the lady is cooking. That lady as a kitchen queen. She is the only one who is able to cook the food. But he break it as he is considered to be a kitchen king. Okay? Not in India, worldwide also. Now, the third example, look at it here. A person is dancing. Do you know who is he? And but he is the one who is considered to be one of the most renowned person, a Kathak artist, best Kathak artist of India, and awarded as. Can anybody of you are able to guess the name? He is Birju Maharaj. He is Birju Maharaj. He got the Padma Vibhushan Award in 1986. And he is the youngest artist who got Sangeet Natraj Academy Award at the age of 28. Stereotype image. Anybody of you are able to get? Please check it out. No one. Sindoor operation. And who had leaded this operation? Anybody of you can tell me? The ladies are the one who has operated this operation, and the first one is Colonel Sophia Qureshi from Indian Army, and the second one is Wing Commander Bhumika Singh. And these are the examples from India.
Good morning one and all present over here. First of all, I would like to say thank you to Vice Principal Sir for giving me this opportunity. Okay students, today as you all know that we are gathered here for an important session on gender sensitization. As ma'am has already explained what is the difference between sex and gender. In simple words, male and female both are sex categories, while masculine and feminine, which we have heard in our grammar. So these are gender categories. Gender sensitization is about making people aware of the need to bring a quantum change in our mindset. This sees man as the breadwinner and women as the housekeeper. Being gender sensitive means everyone feels respected and valued for who they are. It's all about promoting equal opportunity, which should be based on skills and abilities, not on gender. We often hear stereotype statements like, boys should not cry. Why? And dance is only for girls. But the truth is, crying does not show weakness. It's an emotional response that is shown by the boys or girls, anyone. And a skill doesn't belong to gender, rather it belongs to people's interest. When a boy asks his mother ethical things, they both should be appreciated. Because every child deserves equal chance to learn and grow in their fields. Gender sensitization program stands as a cornerstone in the ongoing journey towards this lies in the collective commitment and continuous efforts of individuals as well as communities to uphold the values of equality and respect for all genders. Thank you all for your valuable time and attention. Thank you so much.
Two things are there which I want to add here, and that is related to our school only. Children, you have seen that many activities we always conduct in a school, like cooking competition. So any of the time you realize that we have given the chance to the girl student only and it is closed for boys? Yes, given the equal opportunity or not? Say yes or no? Boys also participate in the cooking competition in our school. Even if there is Rangoli competition, then we make it open for all the students. It is not like that girls will participate only and boys cannot participate. Even whenever there is a mega sports event, that time also volunteers we have like chosen, and there we have given equal chance to girls and boys. Like never like we thought that the girls are there, so they cannot hold, they cannot shift the furniture from here to there. We never realize you that girls are weak, right? We always say that our students, they are equally strong, right? So at last, with a single voice, you will repeat with me, right? I will say our school, and you will say that gender sensitized. Our school, gender sensitized. More louder.